problem with the disc. The officer mishandled him, pushing him into the scenario. So there were 3 discs that were affected.
Yeah, we have sent someone to the ambulance to give us a call.
Yes.
Someone brought the back so that I can transport him to the hospital.
That's all right.
Excuse me, please. You are not
These are the doctors.
Excuse me, they are not excuse me, but there's one that I'm like, excuse me.
Officer.
But it's being attended to by a doctor. No. You must allow the doctors to do their work. Yeah. Allow the doctors to do their work. He has a right. Allow the doctors to do their work. But we are his lawyers. We are here as counsel.
It's okay, Wakili. But what's the matter on exam?
Yeah.
You don't know the extent of the injury.
And he had plates.
The officers are the ones who were there in the past.
Yeah, they are the ones who are interfering. And you cannot prevent the doctors from doing their emergency. No, the doctors will advise.
With our spines.
Yeah.
That's fine. We got surgery in 2020.
Yes.
If we move him,
With the spine, you don't
this
move.
time we have got something to carry, and we take
When we examine or
Yes.
the extent of the damage first. No, but it should not be moved.
But you cannot move him, kienyeji.
What when we examine?
He's being examined. Hatuwezi, sisi ni wakili. Mimi kwanza niko hapa in the capacity of counsel and all of these are wakilis. Mimi siwezi toka. Nitatoka aje na sisi ni mawakili wake? He has a right to representation. He has a right to representation. Which officer is saying that he should not be given medication? Hawezi shikwa na askari. No, he needs medication.
Yes. You can.
He was in a lot of pain. You give him some painkiller?
Did you get the deposit of 50,000?
He can only be lifted pursuant to the doctor's advice.
But they need to manage his pain.
Yes.
I hope that's for the pain. Daktari.
He has a spinal injury. He has a spinal injury.
Nini mnahitaji? They need a stretcher.
Yeah. But how are we going to manage it without a stretcher?
Put him on something.
Yeah, on a stretcher. Yeah. Madam, we are dealing. Hiyo maneno mengine ya kesi itafanyika tu. Itafanyika. Na hakuna mahali anatoroka aende. It's an emergency. I think the,
okay.
Yeah.